Hey everybody, my name is Katie. As you can see, I'm pretty dressed for this rainy weather right now. I just got back from a long day in Oregon, watching my brother represent Linfield on his senior day for baseball. So go Ryan, super proud of you for getting through all those 4 years. But I just really wanted to, well, yesterday I received my Essential Rewards order from Young Living, and so I just really would like to jump on and just kind of do a product talk about the things that I got and the things that I'm really excited about using, maybe some old things that I get or like repetitive things that I get every month, but then some new things that I'm really excited about trying out. So if you're interested in the different products that I got this month, then please keep watching. Okay, so the first oil that I'm going to talk about is one that is always on my Essential Rewards order, and that is lavender. Yeah, can't sleep without this. This one can be applied topically, or you can put it into your diffuser, a couple drops into your diffuser. There's also one, Young Living has a Vitality line, and you'll notice that those have a white label on them. The Lavender Vitality, there is a Lavender Vitality, so you can put this one into drinks or food or things like that. So lots of uses for this one. So lavender is great because it promotes feelings of calm and kind of release some nervous energy that we all get sometimes. It has balancing properties for everything that goes in our bodies, goes on in our bodies. Balancing effects. This one is great for the skin. It cleanses and soothes skin irritations and that kind of thing. So throw this one into your daily moisturizer. Great one to add. Lavender can also reduce the appearance of blemishes. What person doesn't like that? It supports aging skin. And if you add a couple drops into some regular lemonade, it can make a pretty mean lavender lemonade. So try it out. It's gonna be really strong scented, but if you kind of put just a couple drops in at a time until, you know, if you need to add more water or something like that. But lavender lemonade, you guys, really good. Okay, so this month I've kind of been on like a little health kick. So my order was really based around weight management, healthfulness, balancing, that kind of thing. So the next one I haven't tried, but I've heard great things about it growing up, and that would be grapefruit. So grapefruit, how do you use it? You can diffuse it in a diffuser. Just throw like 1 to 2 drops in your diffuser. This scent is so fresh and sweet and invigorating, and it's just going to wake you up like in the morning. Good stuff. You can also apply grapefruit topically onto your skin. However, Young Living does recommend that you use a carrier oil, and a carrier oil is just a fattier oil that can spread this essential oil further over your body. But it not only does that, but it kind of slows down the essential oil when it enters your skin. So the fattier oils like coconut oil, sweet almond oil, olive oil, that kind of thing, they have bigger molecules than essential oils. So the essential oils definitely, or they basically just have to ping pong through those larger molecules, so it kind of slows down the process of getting this one into your body. This one, grapefruit, is also photosensitive, which means you just need to be careful wearing it outside because it's a citrus-based fruit. So photosensitive, just be careful. Grapefruit is totally uplifting and really energizing. This one has amazing skin cleansing properties, so you can also throw this one into your lotion. Again, just be careful if you decide to go outside after that. Grapefruit is also an amazing addition to your DIY cleaning products, your house cleaners at home. Drop a few into a glass cleaner bottle with your thieves, and the smell is just phenomenal. You can also create a really refreshing room spritzer by using grapefruit, peppermint, lemon, orange, and bergamot together, and you just dilute it with some water, spray it in your room, and you got it smelling awesome. Okay, so to go along with my health regimen that I'm doing this month, I got the Young Living's Sleek Essence. In this one, you can just add a couple drops to your water in the morning, and I'm really excited to use this one. So Sleek Essence is a combination of grapefruit, tangerine, spearmint, lemon, ocotillo, and stevia. So the directions on the back, I've never used it before. The directions on the back says shake vigorously before you use, and then you just add 2 to 4 drops to 4 to 6 ounces of your favorite beverage. They have something called Sleek Tea, which I did not get, or you can add it to water. This one says you can use it between meals, regularly throughout the day, whenever you feel hungry but you know that you're not hungry, because it is important to listen to your body and eat if you are hungry. But if you just know that you just ate and you got cravings and that kind of thing. So I'm really excited to use this, and I'm hoping that I'll be able to update you on how I'm feeling. Yeah, so one thing that's really important when using essential oils is, especially if they're in the Vitality line, which means that you can ingest them, it's important to use a water bottle that is not plastic, mostly because a lot of these oils can draw the toxins out of the plastic, so you don't want the toxins from the plastic to be in your water and then you're just drinking more toxins. So make sure you have a stainless steel or something glass that you're putting these essential oils in, just so you don't have any toxins coming out of the plastic. Okay, so Sleek Essence. This is supposed to be for weight management goals, which is really cool. That's why I kind of got it for this month. So it's my understanding that you use Sleek Essence just as like a flavor for your water, but there's supposed to be a lot of benefits to it too. So I am super excited to use this one. All right, the next oil that I got it's not an oil, it's a serum, and it's called Progestin Plus. And this one I'm super crazy excited about trying out. Progestin Plus was formulated specifically for women. This has something called wild yam, Y-A-M, wild yam, in here, and it also has vitamin E, so it's really, really great for skin. This one has frankincense in it, so that is also known to kind of smooth out some fine lines. So this one would be a good one to also add to daily moisturizer. So I've also heard really awesome things about some support for hormones with this one. So this one is one I'm really, really looking forward to trying. Okay, since Young Living loves their members so much, they also give things for free. So this was one of the promos that I got this month. I didn't spend the entire amount of promos, but there's other free things that you get when you kind of spend a certain amount each month. So I got the very minimum one, and I'm so excited about this. This is Basil. So I got this one totally free with my purchases this month. And as you can see, this one does have a different label. So this is their Vitality line, which automatically tells me that I can ingest this one. So that's really cool. So basil, I'm actually really excited to try in some foods. With basil, I plan on trying this with some sauces, some pasta, maybe some chicken, seafood, that kind of thing. Just drop a couple oils. This is super potent. All of these oils are very potent, so you do not need very many drops. Like 1 to 2 drops will give you plenty of flavor. One thing that I'm really excited to try is adding this to the water when I'm boiling noodles so that it's kind of infused in the noodles. So that's one thing that I'm really excited to try. I've never thought about doing that, but I was reading up on this and that's what they suggest doing. So adding a couple drops to the water while you're boiling noodles. All right, thank you so much for watching this video. I am so excited to try all of these things this month and just see where it can benefit my life in different areas. If you have any questions about any of these oils or even how to become a member with Young Living and get all these things in your life, you will not regret it. It is literally the best decision that I've made for me and my family and my pets and my husband and everything. So please ask, any questions that you have. It's okay to be skeptical. It's really healthy to be skeptical, but literally these things are life-changing. So if you have any questions, like I said, please comment, message me, anything. All right, guys, have an awesome week.